So let's talk about how to find your LinkedIn first level connections. Now, first level connections are people that you're directly connected to because you've either accepted their invitation or they've accepted your invitation. And you'll see a first degree icon next to their name in search results and also on their profile. So then you can also, these are people that you can connect with directly and send a direct message to without having to use InMail, without having to try to connect with them first. You're already connected. So let's find out who those people are for you. You're going to go into My Network. In this area, you're going to see obviously people who sent you a connection request, right? But you also get to now toggle over to your connections. I have 13,829. Unbelievably, a few months ago, I deleted at least 8,000 connections from my LinkedIn. You only get 30,000, so you want to use it wisely. You're going to go into the connections. And now here's a list of all your first level connections. You can search by their name. So as another example, you can search by someone's name or something that they do. So maybe you're looking for a keynote speaker who is in the Chicago area. Really cool search options. Like I mentioned, LinkedIn within itself is a search engine. So now we're looking for a keynote speaker. That's a person who lives in the Chicago area. So now we're going to go by location and just put in Chicago. It's going to typically say like Chicago, greater Chicago area, Chicago Heights. You can be very specific. And then you show your results. However, one more thing, I only want someone who is my first connection so I can reach out to them directly. You can toggle first connection. And then you have 25 people in the Chicago area who are first connections who I could now select as keynote speakers. So that's a really important reason why you should make sure you have an optimized profile for search, reach, and conversions. But this is the best way for you to start to find out who your first connections are by specialty. As always, I really appreciate you watching. Go ahead and subscribe. Share this with a friend who needs this the most, and follow me on LinkedIn. If you have any questions, be sure to comment below. I get to all of your questions, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Thanks again.